Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Miller's Language School. Do you like learning English? Let's learn English together. In this video, basic English for beginners. Impersonal pronoun, it. Practice. The pronoun, it.
How to use the pronoun, it.
It is the only impersonal pronoun in English. You can use it as a subject to an impersonal verb.
1. Sentences about natural phenomena.
For example, it is warm. It is cold. It is hot.
Is it sunny? Is it frosty? Is it snowy?
It is snowing today. It is raining today. It is sunny today.
2. Sentences denoting time, day, and season.
For example, it is not summer now.
It is the beginning of September now.
It is 7:30.
What time is it now?
3. Sentences about a young baby of either sex.
For example,
The baby is crying. It must be hungry or dirty.
we did not disturb the child because it was sleeping.
4. Sentences about small and domestic animals.
For example,
I love my dog. It is almost my friend.
I will not sell my cat because it is my love.
5. It is used as an emphasizer before a noun or a pronoun.
It was Mary who painted this picture.
It was Michael who broke the window.
It was Vanessa who made the cake.
6. Sentences characterizing different phenomena.
For example,
It is amazing.
is it possible?
It is not easy. It is simple.
It is wonderful.
It is great.
Practice.
Let's make sentences with the impersonal pronoun, it.
It is a nice day today.
It is a good idea.
It is very simple to learn English. It is not interesting.
It is 10 o'clock now.
It is not very cold today.
It is not possible now.
Is it cold outside?
Is it difficult? It is time to learn English.
It is possible to do it.
What is it time now? It is 27 minutes past.
It is not summer now, it is autumn.
It often rains here. That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, I'm wondering if you can use any of these expressions in the comments. Let me know which one of these you would like to use. Thank you so much for learning English with me. If you like this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you again for a new lesson on my YouTube channel. Bye.